Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Luke, and in today's video I want to show you how to create something quite simple but effective. Here's an example. So as I scroll down, we will have a pinned element with blurred text. You can see that the text reveals itself. The section is also pinned, and once that's finished it is unpinned, and then we can continue scrolling. So let me show you how to create something like this using Motion.page and Bricks Builder. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is create a new page here. Add page, I'll just call this song lyrics. Publish, and then let's edit with bricks. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just add some buffer sections just so we have some room to scroll. So I'll create a new section here. I'll just give this a set height of 70 viewport height. And then the container, I'll just set this to be 100%. I'll duplicate this twice, 1, 2, and then this middle section here will be our main section. So I'll just call this main section so I know what I'm doing. Then inside here, I'll add our song lyrics. I'm going to use a header for this. And on the container, what I'm going to do before I forget is just set everything to be center. I'm going to make this a header 1 and change the text size real quick. And then here, I'm just going to paste our song lyrics. And what I'm going to do is just add breaks where necessary. Okay, so that's exactly what I need. I could put classes on these elements if I want to make life easier in Motion.page. But in today's video, I'm simply going to use the scanner selector so I don't have to do that. So I'm going to save this, and already we can open up Motion.page. All right, so let's go ahead and create a new timeline. I'm going to select our new page here called Song Lyrics, and let's call this timeline Song Lyrics as well. Alright, so obviously this wants to use a scroll trigger. All of this animation takes place on scroll. I want to lock the scroll bar so it's all in sync with the scrolling. And we do have a pinned element, so I'm going to check this one, and let's select our section. So it's going to be this section here, and I'm going to use this ID because it's unique. And I want this to start pinning where the song lyrics are almost at the top here. So you can see this red line is actually almost perfect. So we'll use this value, which is 15% here. And then I want it to stop pinning when we scrolled 100% of itself. So here we'll do minus 100%, and we'll also set this to be top as well. Okay. Now the animation. Obviously this is going to be our text here, so I'm going to select the ID for our text. We want to set the text initially to be blurred, so what I'm going to do on From is go to Filter, Blur, and we'll use a value here, something like 15 pixels, maybe 20. Okay, that looks better, just so I cannot actually read it. And then we want to unblur it as we scroll, so we'll do here once again blur to 0 pixels. So now what you'll notice is as I scroll, it's pinned, but altogether it unblurs. We don't want it to do it altogether like this. So while we're on the to section here, what we can do is, first of all, we'll split up our text by words, and then we need to stagger it. So what I'm going to do here is amount, and then we'll do something like 5 seconds. So now what you'll notice is each word is revealing itself, and then we unpin. So we'll save the timeline, check out the front end. So we scroll down, we have this nice effect here. Obviously it doesn't have to be song lyrics, it could be anything related to your website. And once the animation is finished, the section is unpinned and we continue scrolling. Now just be careful, obviously for this tutorial purpose I used set values in Bricks Builder for the heights of my sections, but what you could do instead is use minimum values. It depends how long your text is, but it might not be a good idea just to put it in the height section here. So it might be better to use a minimum height instead, so that if your text does go longer, the section will also grow with it. So please just keep that in mind. Anyways, there you have it guys, a very short tutorial today. And I discovered this on CodePen, and I thought it would make for a good Motion.page tutorial. If you have any requests, please do let us know in the comments below. We hope you liked this tutorial, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.